Perimeter expansion joints. As you can see here, we have a good gap to this brick perimeter area here. I have all my spacers, so when I cut the tile and I set it and everything cures, nothing moves. This is very, very important when you're doing floor tile installation, to have a perimeter joint to allow everything in there to move. Everything moves, nothing is stand still. Now in this project you can see there's a sliding door right there. So as the weather increases in the summer, it's going to get hotter and things are going to expand and contract and so on. Here's an area over here where I met the old flooring, and there's a soft joint there, meaning I used a silicone caulking material so it's soft, so it allows everything to move around. This is critical for tile installation, especially where area where we're going to have a lot of variables. Interior things are going to move, but when it gets hotter, they're going to move more, especially if it's going to hit with direct sunlight. So ensure that your tile installation has perimeter expansion joints on every tile installation to ensure a long-lasting install.